Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical parts in SolidWorks 2025 oil on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle from origin. Now give the dimension rectangle, this line dimension 64, 640. Now this line dimension 220. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now extrude, give the dimension 250. Blind. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here, corner rectangle. Now give the dimension, this line and this line distance 60. Now go to this line dimension, 60, 640 minus 190. Okay. Now go to feature. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude through all. Okay. Now I am going to here edit. Now here minus. Now here minus 120. 450 minus 120. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to fillet tools. Now here select full round. Now just select here. This box select this face and this box this face. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the slot here. This point select. Okay. Now here give the dimension. This slot dimension 250. 250. Now this line and this line distance 100. Okay. Now here dimension is big size. Now I'll give the dimension value 200. 200. Now here 150. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Center rectangle draw here. Now give the dimension. This line dimension 130. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 70. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude card. Now here select through blind and through. Okay. Okay. Now go to again fillet. Now you can select here full round. This face, this box, this face, this box, this face. Okay. Now you can here again fillet full round this face, this box, this face, and this box, this face. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select this face and sketch. Now here draw the circle. Now give the value circle 120. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select roll. Okay. Now I am going to here edit. This is slot edit. Okay, now give the value here 120. 120. Now here value 70. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to here fillet. Now here fillet 20. Now go to again isometric view. Now I am going to here fillet here, here, here. Now select here. Now select backside or as you wish. Give the value here 5. Okay. Now go to select shaded. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Now I am going to here color. You can give the this line change value as you wish. 70. No need to change the value. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Now I am going to here use color. Any color use as you wish. Now here select the color. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.